2, 3, 4.
A sweet sound in the quiet suburb of Sumner. This newly formed group, a kind of music therapy.
I think music is wonderful for everybody, and it's the pure enjoyment you get from singing, from getting over your fear of singing on your own, of singing with other people. Yes, it helps tremendously.
This Rockers of Ages choir was formed after the Christchurch quakes. The idea? To give elderly from the worst hit areas something new to do. It's now up and running in 4 suburbs, with over 80 members.
It's an opportunity for anyone, elderly or not, to come out and to do something expressive and creative and to enjoy other people's company.
Songs from other countries, just one of the things they have to learn.
Learning new languages, is a challenge when you haven't done it before, but that's what you need to keep doing, sort of getting out of your comfort zone.
Just one of many challenges the group is overcoming.
So I find it most surprising because there are 18 of us singing. None of us sing regularly, and yet within a 2-hour period on a Wednesday morning, we learn a song and we sing it in harmony. And to me, it's quite staggering.
Creating a harmony that fills a room to fill a need. Marcus Gibbs, Metro News.